Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and I'm just creating this video as a follow-up video for the week 9 training that we created on Google Ads. So in the week 9 training for the internship program, I showed you how to set up a search campaign. And we set up a search campaign for Facebook Ads Mastery lead generation. And this is how the campaign is performing. The campaign has now kind of got stabilized. We have got an optimization score of 80%. We have a budget of 1000 rupees per day. And when you look at the yesterday's statistics, we have got 81 conversions at 14 rupees and we have spent 1200 rupees. So what usually happens is that up to 20% might be spent extra from your daily budget. That's the way Google runs the ads. And if you look at all time, we have generated 421 conversions at 12 rupees 36 paise, and we have spent 5200 rupees so far. So if you look at the keywords that has been giving us the conversion, so what we can do is that we can look at the total conversions here, and it is automatically sorted according to the number of conversions that we have got for each and every keyword. So I have been seeing a lot of people are searching for, increase Facebook likes, increase Facebook followers. So I felt that these searches might be of lower quality. So what I have done is that I have added some negative keywords. Boost followers, liker, likes. These are the negative keywords. So the ads will not get triggered if these keywords are there in the campaign or in the search term. So if you look at yesterday, you will see that the keywords liker, all those keywords are missing because I have added as negative keywords a few days back. And now you can see that the conversions are coming from people searching for Facebook ads directly, how to advertise on Facebook. So these are very, very targeted. Facebook ads course, Facebook ads manager, Facebook business advertising. So if I go ahead and search for this on Google, let's see if our ad shows up. So the ad might not show up because the bidding cost is low, and we are trying to run it on a lighter note. So sometimes the ad will show, sometimes the ad will not show, depending on the daily budget and depending on the total demand that is out there. And you can see that even for today, the clicks are coming in, the conversions are already coming in. So if you look at, let's say, let's go back to all time. So what we can see here is that we can see here all the different keywords that we have given. And how have I added all these keywords is that I have added it via the search terms. So if you go inside search terms, you will be able to look at all the terms that people are searching for. So search keywords are the keywords that we give to Google. Search terms are the terms that people are searching for. So when you put the keywords on broad match, uh, Google kind of does a estimation on when to show your ads, right? So here you can see people are searching for Facebook blueprint, Facebook ads, Facebook page promotion free FB page promotion. So we don't want the keywords free to be triggering our ads also because they are specifically looking for free, or maybe they are looking for Facebook ads course free. So we can't add free as a negative keyword because we want people to search for Facebook ads course free because I am giving away a free course. People are also looking for Facebook ads credit code. So I can go ahead and add some of these keywords which are not in the campaign. So these are what people are searching for, and I will go ahead and add it in the search keywords, right? So I just need to go ahead and you know select all these keywords: Facebook ad expert, Facebook ad marketing course, uh, how to add on Facebook, where to learn Facebook ads, Facebook marketing course. So all these are like relevant search terms that people are searching for, and we might be able to get these people into our funnel. So now that I have selected 10 keywords from here, I will go ahead and click on add as a keyword and click on save. So once I do this, all these keywords are going back into search keywords. So if I go into all time, I can look at the best keywords that has been performing for me. I can look at the cost per conversions. I can look at the clicks, impressions, CTR, CPC, what is the total cost, what is the conversion rate. So I can look at the landing page conversion rate. I can sort it according to the landing page conversion rate as well. And when we have very few clicks, sometimes it might even have like 100% conversion rate. And this might not be the best measurement right now, but you can look at the number of clicks. So you can look at the keywords which have been delivering the maximum number of clicks. So if I go inside Auction Insights is basically to see what are all the competitors doing. But right now it says not enough activity to create Auction Insights report. Change the date range or adjust your selection. So we need to let it run for a while more. We can look at placements, so where the ads are shown, and here you can see, apart from the search network, apart from getting clicks from Google search directly, the ads are also being shown on all these different websites. So what happens is that if people search for a specific term, they don't click on it, and then they go ahead and visit some other website in which Google has an access to show ads to them, the ads will be shown there. So here you can see we have got only 23 conversions from the display network so far out of the 400 plus conversions that we have got. We can exclude certain locations if we want. And if you go inside settings, you will be able to see the networks are Google search network, search partners, and display network. So because we have the display network, it means that Google will go ahead and also show it on websites apart from just showing it on search, which will reduce your overall cost per lead. So the bidding is maximize conversions and budget is 1000 rupees a day. So if you look at the ad groups, then we have one main ad group, that's it. And slowly what we can do is that we can start creating separate ad groups for all the different search keywords that we are getting, right? Like for example, Facebook's for business. So here we can see that there is a significant amount of conversions here, 30 conversions, and the cost per conversion is only 8.81. So this seems like an important keyword. So if I go ahead and look at the ad, it says free Facebook ads course, doesn't say, use the word business in the ad. So we can create like a separate keyword. We can create like a separate ad group in which we can have that particular keyword. So that's how you go ahead and optimize it over time, right? So if you click on this particular ad, you can see that it goes to the landing page and then it goes to the thank you page. That is how the conversions are triggered. That's how you record the conversions, which you can see it in the conversions section. So if I go inside conversions, you will be able to see that here we have Facebook free DM course subscribed, free Facebook ads mastery. So 576 conversions have been recorded with this particular thing. And here you can see that I have also added DD page view as one of the conversions. So we have 8,427 conversions recorded so far. So, and we have 4,54,000 people recorded so far for the free DM course subscribed. So that's about it for this video. Just wanted to, kind of give you like a quick follow up on what's happening with this campaign. We can also see how many clicks came from mobile, how many clicks came from computers, how many from tablets, what is the CTR, what is the CPC, what is the total cost spent, what is the cost per conversion, total conversions that we got from different devices. And I can also go ahead and adjust the bid. Let's say I assume that clicks coming from computers are going to be a little bit of higher quality. So I can kind of increase the bid by 10% for computers, and for mobile phones, I will leave it as it is. For tablet also, I can like, let's say, increase the conversion CPC by 10%, right? So anyway, you are having a setting of maximize the conversions instead of going ahead and just putting a CPC. So you also have to observe that when you click on the ad group, it's going to be different inside the settings. When you click on the campaign, it's going to be different inside the settings. So inside the campaign, you have goals, networks, locations, but if you go inside this, you won't have all that. You just have ad group settings, right? So that's about it. We have got 421 conversions, 3 rupees CVC, 12 rupees cost per conversion, 1400 clicks driven for this campaign so far. We can see the most shown ads here. Obviously, this is the only ad that we have set up. The distribution, the demographics, networks, day and hour as well. When are the ads actually getting triggered? So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment, or we can discuss it in the group. So I will see you in the next video, and I will probably make one more video like this when I go ahead and do all the optimization for this particular campaign. And let's see what kind of results we are getting from this campaign, probably, 1 week later, 2 weeks later, 1 month later, and things like that. So I will see you in the next video, and bye bye.